the no tax on tips. So the list of 68 jobs that that'll have no tax on tips has been leaked. It's the draft list from the Treasury Department. It revealed 68 occupations across food service, entertainment, hospitality, personal services, and more. They plan to have the full list published by October 2nd of 2025. And these jobs must have been customarily regularly received tips on December 31st of 2024. So these are all jobs that used to get tips. There's no new, we can't say, hey, we're podcasters, we get tips now. So it's really going to be it's jobs that got tips.
Right. So what they're saying is these are the job types or the job titles that can qualify.
Exactly.
Okay. So here is the opportunity. How do we reclassify our clients into these categories in order to get no tax on tips? And I'm seeing a lot of options here. Okay. There's the usual, which would be hard to do, like food and beverage service, right? We're not reclassifying any of our staff or any of our clients into like bakers and dishwashers and bar staff. But entertainment and events, there's casino workers. That makes a lot of sense. They get tipped, but performers, musicians, DJs, and most critically, digital content creators. What are we, David?
We're digital content creators.
Podcasters.
We get a lot of tips.
We make digital content. So, dear listeners of the podcast, please be prepared for our tip jar. We're going to have to figure out some technology platform so that you can tip us.
It's built into QuickBooks. I'll just send out our invoices for $1 and I'll just have a suggested tip amount.
Suggested tip amount. Yes. It's amazing. So that's an option. And basically anyone in professional services, I think there's probably an argument to be made that you could like get some of what they do into that digital content creator job description or job title.
I mean, it's like maids and housekeepers and maybe people that historically maybe aren't using an accountant to file their taxes. This might help drive demand because if you can be, I'm the expert, I will help ensure you get your no tax on tip credits properly. Come see me. It probably is a way to get relationships with new potential customers.
That's true. And you know, the people to focus on from like a prospect or client perspective that could benefit, it's the high earning tip folks. I mean, there's a phase out, but the phase out is like
150,000 for single.
For single and 300,000 for married. So, I mean, if you're like a married casino worker, you can make up to, you and your spouse together can make up to $300,000 and get all the no tax on tips, which is, the deduction is capped to $25,000 annually, but that's a significant deduction for somebody who's probably making $100,000 a year.